Hello everyone, present here. My name is Kavya Gaur. Questions?
One day, if you met with your most favorite Doraemon, how will you treat?
Yeah. My favorite cartoon is Doraemon, as you all know. If I met one day my favorite cartoon, of course I will be very happy. I will be very glad to meet him, and I will do all the things with his gadgets which I really want to do. I will use his gadgets like Anywhere Door, Bamboo Copter, and many others.
Please repeat yeah. Next question, ask please.
You were on the road, some snatch your purse, how will you react?
Okay. Uh, okay. First of all, I usually don't carry a purse, but it's a situation, so I always keep my phone in my pocket. If the thief snatch my purse, I will just call police or my parents probably.
Besides than that, won't you do anything? You won't try to run behind him and chase him and caught him?
I will take help others if they will be people. If not, I will try my best to catch. If not, I will probably call my parents.
Yes. Question. Ask question.
You started a business with a team, okay, and when something happened, like people, that your team didn't love it, your business is gone to the like a nice level, not that much nice, but on you can say the city level, okay. So your team just like suddenly they just stopped working for you, all the team, like the major team we have. Okay, not the laborers, the major team we have, they have stopped working for you. Now, what will you do?
Means they're jealous of me.
No, that's jealous. They just stop working suddenly.
First of all, I will just talk. I will just talk properly with them. What's the matter? And if there will be any matter or any things, I will just try to solve. And if the thing cannot be solved, I will probably try my best in that situation.
Question.
Okay, one more question is here. You went to any of the what we say temple, and there you after the worship and everything you just came out of the temple after 2 hours or 3 hours of having enjoyment, like you were very happy and just came out of the temple and just found out like your one slipper is there and the second is not there.
Okay, it mostly happens in India. So if this happens to me, I will just take my one slipper with me, or I will just left that and I will just call cab or something else to reach my home as soon as
You would take that left slipper.
probably.
Okay. If anybody put the gun on your head, how will you deal the situation?
So what?
If anybody put the gun on your head,
Okay.
Please repeat.
I will just say that I just want to call my parents once, and
let us see. Yeah, go on.
I will just say if I have an option, any one wish that can be completed by them, I will just say this. I just want to video call them, and I will just say okay. I will be like happy because I always do things for like I do not have to regret it. So if anything happens, something like that, I will be happy. Yeah.
It's not the TikTok video or Instagram reel that is going through into the real situation. If anybody has put the gun and is going to shoot you within a second, everything is vanished. How will you
Okay.
deal this? Either you should be ready to die, or you should fight or try to escape from the situation to save yourself.
First,
How will you do
uh,
it, and what will you do?
first I can try to fight. Like any tricks I can try.
How many tricks you know to fight?
I know some of the tricks.
Okay. Yes.
You are going somewhere with your Activa and the car, and you are caught by the police on the way. And how you don't even even have a license, and how you can
Okay. First of all, I really don't know how to write. I have not started learning. So, if this is the condition, I will probably just ask them to be lenient with me. Or secondly, I will call my parents that this is the condition. I am stuck here. Now, what should I do more?
You will call your parents, that's it. Police officers, they are very lenient with the girls as well. They are too harsh with the boys. सारे खाने आ रहा काट लगा
उनसे भी नहीं है follow आपका.
Yes. Any question?
Suppose you are alone in the home. There is no one in your home. You hear a scary voice outside at night, and suddenly the light also goes off.
Yeah.
So, how will you feel, and what would you do and think?
Yeah, it's a quite scary situation. I will probably, I think I'm quite brave. I think, first of all, I will just check my whole home fully, because I think I'm probably quite brave. Like, I have been in this, like, I have been alone at my home many times. Like my mother, father works, so and my brother goes like coaching for studying. So I have been in this situation, like I'm alone. So I have been like I never get scared. If I got scared, I just call my parents. That's it.
I have one question.
The last question, yes, you ask.
Why always boys? Why boys are good? Boys are, you are hearing boys outside. Boys, they are good.
My question is this: do you like teddy bears?
Yes.
You like teddy bears. Fine. You have big teddy bears.
Yes, I have.
And yes, you are sleeping, right?
Yeah.
And holding the teddy bears.
Yeah.
Suddenly in the midnight you realize teddy bear is becoming full of life and he is trying to hug you. Teddy bear. अब आप सोचो, what will going on through this mind? It is what?
I will just take the teddy bear and put it in my almirah and lock it.
आप समझो कि टेडी बेयर खिलौने जो होते हैं ना, खिलौनों के अंदर अगर कोई मूवमेंट होता है तो इट इज नॉट ह्यूमनली पैरानॉर्मल. इट इज अ पैरानॉर्मल सिचुएशन. इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ घोस्ट, right? He is next to you or she is next to you, whatever.
I will probably be.
You will be kept sleeping, or you will try to run away from there.
Probably run away.
Run away, na? Your door is locked. It will take some seconds, almost 4 to 5 seconds to open. How will you handle this fear?
Probably I will try to fight. Probably.
Have you watched Conjuring?
Yes.
Okay. Conjuring the
Just a trailer.
Just a trailer. Do you know about Annabelle doll?
Yeah.
If you found the Annabelle doll, you just went into
I will be just like I will become a statue.
You
Yeah.
entered in your room, locked the door, right? Switch on the light, and you saw Annabelle doll sitting on your bed, smiling.
First of all, probably I will scream or I will become a statue because of fear.
What will you do then? You
So,
have to
I
run
can-
away, or you will be ready to die.
I fainted.
Yeah, probably fainted because I have when I have nightmares, I have like if something this type of things happens, I cannot even shout or run away. I just become a statue in that situation.
Thank you very much.
Thank